Chapter 11, three-dimensional geometry is very important in 12th standard. You have only lines this year, planes fully omitted. In the lines, there are some important models which can come as either 5 mark sum or as case study sum. Let us start with model 1 in this video. How to find the foot of the perpendicular, length of the perpendicular and image of a given point to a line. That is the model we are going to see in this video. Shall we move on to the sum? Let us see a sum in model 1. Find the foot of the perpendicular from the point 2, 3, minus 8 to the line 4 minus x by 2 is equal to y by 6 is equal to 1 minus z by 3. Also find the perpendicular distance from the given point to the line and its image. So what is given? A point P is given. Equation of a line is given. You have to find three things. Foot of the perpendicular distance, and then the image. Okay. For sums like this, it is always better you draw a figure so that you will get an idea how to go about. So see the diagram. In that, AB is the given line. Okay. P is the given point 2, 3, minus 8. From P, a perpendicular is drawn. So Q is the foot of the perpendicular that lies on the line AB, right? Then you extend PQ. The image is odd. Actually, it is normal mirror image thing like, so PQ will be equal to QR. Okay. Now, the equation is given in Cartesian form. Whenever you see the equation of a line in Cartesian form, the very first thing you have to do is check whether it is in standard form. Otherwise, convert it and then only proceed. Now the equation is 4 minus x by 2 is equal to y by 6 is equal to 1 minus z by 3. Hope you all remember what is a standard equation. That is, the coefficients of x, y and z should be plus 1. Here you see the coefficient of x is minus 1. The coefficient of z is also minus 1. So now 4 minus x, take a minus out, you will get x minus 4. That minus you bring to the denominator. So you get x minus 4 by minus 2, right? Y by 6 is proper. Come to the y minus z by 3, take a minus out, z minus 1. Bring that minus to the denominator, z minus 1 by minus 3. Okay? Now it is in standard form. You can equate it to some k, which is called the constant of proportionality, right? Now, any point on AB you can say in a generalized way in terms of k. Q is also a point on AB, so we can take Q has the coordinates, right? Now, x minus 4 by minus 2 is equal to k. So, what will be x? X will be minus 2k plus 4. Y will be equal to 6k. Z minus 1 will be minus 3k. Z will be minus 3k plus 1. So, Q will have coordinates minus 2k plus 4, 6k, minus 3k plus 1. Direction ratios of the line AB. How will you find the direction ratios? In the standard form, you have converted in that equation. See the denominator. Minus 2, 6 and minus 3. They are the direction ratios of the line AB. Direction ratios of the line PQ. You don't know the equation of PQ, but you know the point P. You know the point Q. When you know the 2 points, you can find the direction ratios using the formula x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 and z2 minus z1. Use that. So you will be getting minus 2k plus 4 minus 2, 6k minus 3, minus 3k plus 1, minus of minus 8, so that will become plus 8. So you will get minus 2k plus 2, 6k minus 3, minus 3k plus 9. So you know the direction ratios of the line AB as well as the line PQ. Now you know AB and PQ are perpendicular. So the very important point you have to remember, okay, when two lines are perpendicular, sum of the product of their direction ratios is equal to 0. Using that, we are going to find the value of k because that is the main thing in this. If you find k half the problem is solved. So now minus 2 into minus 2k plus 2 plus 6 into 6k minus 3 minus 3 into minus 3k plus 9 is equal to 0. Expand the brackets, bring all the k's together and all the numbers together. You will get k is equal to 1, right? Now, you know the coordinates of q already. Here, don't have any confusion. There is only dr's of pq. Don't substitute there. You have the coordinates of q. In that, you substitute k is equal to 1 and you will get q as 2, comma 6, comma minus 2. So you got one answer. Three answers you have to find in that. The foot of the perpendicular q is 2, comma 6, comma minus 2. Okay. We have found the foot of the perpendicular q. Now, the second is we want the perpendicular distance, PQ. You know P. What is P? 2, comma 3, comma minus 8. Q is now only have found 2, comma 6, comma minus 2. So the distance PQ will be, you know the distance formula? Root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square plus z2 minus z1 the whole square. When you use that formula, you will be getting root 45, which is root 9 into 5. So 3 root 5 units. So the second answer is the perpendicular distance PQ is equal to 3 root 5 units. Next, you have to find the image R. Let us take R be some x, comma y, comma z. Now, just see, I have drawn a small straight line, PR. Now, P you know 2, comma 3, comma minus 8. Q is the foot of the perpendicular, that is 2, comma 6, comma minus 2. And R is x, comma y, comma z. And already I have told you, Q is the midpoint of PR. So we have to use the midpoint formula. So take the coordinates of Q, that is 2 will be equal to 2 plus x by 2. So you can calculate x is equal to 2, right? Similarly, 6 will be equal to 3 plus y by 2. So y will be equal to 9. And minus 2 is equal to minus 8 plus z by 2. So z will be equal to 4. So the image R is 2, comma 9, comma 4. So you have found all the three answers. It's better you highlight the answers. You can put a box around the answers, right? Now, this is model 1 and this is a very important model. In this, instead of giving the equation of the line AB, they can give the 2 points AB. Then you can use 2-point form and find the equation, and then you can find the direction ratios and proceed. Or you can use even x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1 as the DRs, and you can proceed straight away like that. So this is one model. I hope you have all understood it clearly. Let us move for the other model in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, you can put a like, you can subscribe, you can comment, share it with your friends. Thank you.